Hello and welcome to this new lecture on Expo CLI and React Native. Expo CLI and React Native CLI are both command line interfaces that are used to develop React Native applications. However, there are some key differences between the two. Expo CLI is a tool chain built around React Native that provides a simplified and streamlined workflow to develop React Native applications. It includes a set of pre-built components and APIs that you can use to build your application without having to write any native code. Expo CLI also provides a development server that you can use to preview your app during development, as well as tools for building and publishing your app to different app stores. Okay, and now on to React Native CLI. So what's the difference? So React Native CLI, on the other hand, is the official command line interface for React Native. It provides a more traditional development workflow in which you create your own project structure and write all the code yourself, including any native code that your app requires. React Native CLI also provides tools for building and deploying your app to app stores. But these tools require more configuration and setup compared to Expo CLI. Alright, so in summary, Expo CLI provides a simpler and more streamlined development workflow for React Native applications, while React Native CLI provides more flexibility and control over your project structure and code. The choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences as a developer. Alright, so let's review the React Native website briefly and move on to the next lecture.